Hi everyone, I'm Tara McAdoo and I'm an educator for Innersense, and today I have my super excited, amazing client, Tamika. She is in for a hydration treatment. She is a workout fanatic. So we all know what happens when you work out often. You get those sweat deposits and you got to cleanse and hydrate. So that's what we're gonna do today. You ready to get started?
Ready.
All right. Okay, so before we get started, let's take a look at our Innersense Organic Beauty lineup for today. We will start with the Color Awakening Hair Bath. Considering our client is color treated, then if needed, we'll follow with the Hydrating Cream Hair Bath. And then our product featured today, the Hydrating Hair Mask. So I'm just taking a look at her hair and scalp, rinsing thoroughly to prepare for the cleansing. I'm applying the Color Awakening Hair Bath here. We won't need the Hydrating Cream Hair Bath. Her hair seems to be pretty hydrated, so we're just going to prep the hair for the Hydrating Hair Mask. After we've rinsed thoroughly, we're gonna prep with the Nano Mister to slightly open the cuticle to receive the Hydrating Hair Mask. I am going to apply maybe 2 pumps. Her hair is fine. It's color treated. She has a fine density, so 2 pumps is really all we need just to use for today's application. Once I take the 2 pumps in my hands, I will emulsify it very well in my hands and grab all of the hair at once just to evenly distribute the product. And if I need more product, I always add water because Innersense products are very water soluble. So as I'm evenly distributing, I'm also preparing to section her hair for detangling, which is typically the next step. And detangling her hair, it's important to make sure that you grab as much hair needed in the areas that need the most hydration. And while you all watch this video of detangling, I'm gonna go over some great benefits of the Hydrating Hair Mask. It's a very revitalizing and strengthening mask that's used to add a boost of hydration. When you apply the mask, you want to apply mid-length to ends, leave on between 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. It's suitable for any hair type. You can pair it with any of the other Innersense products, such as the scalp scrub, and also the harmonic healing oil. It has a great sage and vanilla note, and it includes shea butter, coconut oil, flaxseed, and quinoa. So really nice ingredients to add that extra boost of moisture. Like I said earlier, if you need to add a little more punch to the performance, always add water. This is a photo of what her hair looked like before. And now look at how hydrated her hair looks. The color looks more vibrant. The curls are so much more defined. This is where she's gonna start processing with her Quiet Calm Curl Cream and Innersense I Create Hold. All right, so we are now here with the finished results. Tamika's hair has finally set. We set under the dryer for about an hour. So now her hair definitely feels way more hydrated. It's softer. The definition, I hope you can see that, it's amazing. She has far more defined curls, and this wash and go should take her about a week, even with her busy workout schedule. So thank you, and please go out and purchase a hydrating hair mask and tell me what you think.